So let me flip the script on you and ask you a question.
Sure.
So for these organizations that are really going into this economic change, this new environment, what should they be thinking and what should they be doing over the next 18 months, 24 months?
Yeah, that's a great question. And economics aside, I think a lot of businesses are trying to figure out how to do more with the same, in some cases more with less, but still grow and still figure out how to improve their programs. And I think there's a couple things that they can think about in the early days and as they're evolving their programs. Number one, the human element, right? You mentioned it, relationships, making sure that you're tapping into the entire organization, not just the security team, right? The security team is there to be a guiding light, put up some guardrails, put up some guideposts for people, but you need the whole organization. So building those relationships across the organization are super important. Number two, which is a hot topic these days, is automation. Automation comes in a lot of different flavors, right? Everybody thinks of automation of no humans have to be involved. Not a realistic scenario in most cases, but starts with sometimes workflow automation. And then last that I would point to is really the community around you, right? Is what am I doing to tap into resources that are in the community? There's a lot being done by the federal government, state governments, even industry in general is working together better. And there's avenues to get together and understand what threats are out there, what approaches are being taken in the community to improve security for an individual organization as part of a larger community.